Last year I did not grow any ranunculus. I had this little box of ranunculus and it's from Eden Brothers and it's called Romantic Mix, so it's like the soft pinks, but I did not grow it, so I'm wondering if it's any good. I'm gonna open it. And then I went and bought some at Wilco here where I live, and it is Persian buttercups. I thought they were really pretty with the whites, so I think I'm gonna grow both of them this year. They're very, very little and they are dry, so we're gonna rehydrate them. It looks like they're okay. We'll see if they plump up well, if nothing happened to them and they're still alive. Bring the instructions right here. It says to soak 2 hours in lukewarm. So these are much larger. That looks not that great, but we'll see. But these are, look how much bigger they are. We'll see. The thing with the ones that you get at the store is that they may not be, I like them where they're really tall when you harvest them, the stem, so it's better for making flower arrangements. So these two may not have long stems, but I just wanted to I didn't get around to ordering any. I'm going to place the label with each one so I know which one is what, and in an hour I'll come and I'll switch the water. I'm gonna get the pots ready, and I think I'm gonna use these deep ones. So you have to plant them around 2 to 3 inches deep, the corms. So I think I'm gonna use these deep pots just because I may have to leave them here for a while. So I'm gonna get a tray and get this done. 1 hour. You can see they have plumped up. Yeah, they're starting to get larger. So I'm gonna switch the water, clean it up so that it doesn't get any bacteria that does anything to them or algae. So let me do that. I'm going to be growing them in individual pots, but the previous year when I did ranunculus, I grew them in a tray. I just placed all the corms in one tray, and that also worked, but you have to pot them, and I did not want to do that this year. I'm going to use just some potting mix for the ranunculus so they have some nutrition in them. And they're all of them. Go ahead and fill this up. Last thing I want is for the corms, now that they're hydrated, to get dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some water and make sure that it's nice and damp, the soil. Not super wet because you don't want them to rot or start getting some bacteria or fungus on it. So just get it wet enough that they will hold the moisture. I'm gonna leave a couple inches, so I'm gonna fill about that much. See if you can see about that much there. About this much, a couple inches. this will be the third time with clean water. And they're getting some volume, but they need, I'm probably gonna do it for 2 more hours. Yeah, that one's getting a lot better. Let's see these. Oh yeah, these are plumping up. So I think they may be okay. See that? Look what a difference. See that? That's a big difference from the shriveled stuff. So let me change the water. Look at this. You see that? They have really plumped up. Oh my gosh, look how much better they look. They look really, have gotten a lot of more plumped, and they look amazing. So those are the Persian cup, the romantic mix. They did good. They look a lot better. They're smaller ranunculus, but they still look really, really good. So let's take these and take them and plant them. Okay, so here's the ranunculus, and they're all looking fabulous, but here's the big one. And you see the little claw-like legs here? We're gonna put those down, and then the plant will come from here. So you want to place them down like that. I'm gonna do that with each one. I think there may be 2 in here. Yeah, there's 2, so be careful that you get all of them. So here they are. You're gonna take the little claws and put them upside down like that, facing to the soil. Oh, that's a big one. Look at that. That's a really large one. All of those, and then one of those. If you have gotten value out of this video, please subscribe for more content on cozy gardening days. I will go ahead and cover them with the potting soil mix that I'm using. It's just a bag soil mixture, but I will be adding worm compost once I go ahead and see that they have germinated to add some extra nutrition. I will also go ahead and add some fertilizer and make sure that they have plenty of nutrition to get strong and grow as large as possible and as quickly as possible. I will place my ranunculus on my grow rack, but I will put a top over it. Whoops, I almost spilled one of them. I will place the top on it, and that will make them be in the dark and be able to germinate. They don't like any light to go ahead and germinate. So make sure that you cover them until you see them, but keep checking that they have enough water and that they have not germinated yet. As soon as they germinate, they need light. Keep gardening for your mind, body, and soul.